What's good, guys? So the past couple of weeks, being a Tesla shareholder has been pretty boring. Price has just been sitting between 180 and 172, but I still believe that we're going to see Tesla back up about $200 by probably middle to end of June. And I do still have my June calls. They are down right now about 27%, but I do still think that we're going to see that push back to 200. The first reason is that we still have this break of structure set up at this moment. You guys are going to see that as price pushed through $180, we got this nice run on Tesla, and since then price has pulled back to test market bias support. Now, if we look at the top right side of your screen, you're going to see that over the past 150 patterns, and this is how many times this pattern has showed up since IPO on Tesla. So since IPO on Tesla, we have nearly an 80+% success rating because we've had 120 winning trades and 33 losing trades, which means that more than 80% of the time, Tesla bounces off of this market bias and ends up moving its way in the next couple of weeks or months back up to $200 to $204. Doesn't mean that this has to be the time that Tesla actually comes up and hit target. No, Tesla can break right underneath of our support, come through our stop loss, tag out at $167, and lose. That's the most important thing that you have to understand. When people see an 80% win rate, they have still no understanding of how to risk something properly. They think that just because there's an 80% win rate that I can go ahead and bet the kitchen sink. And that's not the case. We are bet to this point where if this trade fails, if this is one of the 20% of the times that Tesla fails, then whatever, we'll probably end up losing about $17,000 to $18,000, maybe a little bit more. But that's okay. We've pre-baked all of this into our trade before we set this up. We knew that when we wanted to start this, we would enter around here, continue to average into market bias, and now we're just waiting to see if we get this push back up over $200. I do think that NVIDIA is going to beat earnings on Wednesday. I do think that the S&P 500 is probably going to continue to run, and I do think that that will also help to bring Tesla back up. But let's see what happens, guys. Thanks for all the support. If you want to trade with me each and every single day, get access to all my real-time trades, as well as all of our strategies, which are very simple. They're all based around 1 to 2 indicators. Then go ahead and check out our private academy. Links in the description, or you can go ahead and get it on my X account. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you next time.